performance dashboard in Power BI. Now you can easily track Apple's stock price, trading, volume, daily returns, and moving average all in one interactive dashboard. Hi everyone, today we are going to create an Apple stock performance dashboard in Power BI step by step. This dashboard will help us analyze Apple's stock price, trading volume, moving average, and daily returns, giving stakeholder clear market insight. So let's get started. So first, we are going to upload the data set. Click on Get Data and click on TXT CSV and upload your data set. After you upload the data set in Power BI, it will look like this. Click on this and here you can see all the column names that we are going to build chart. So the first chart that we are going to create is a KPI card. To do that, click on card and then click on close column, drag into field. So now we are going to change the background color of this card. Click on here and then go to here, format your visual. Then here you can see general, and then you can see here call effects. Click on expand it, and then here you can see background. Click on here color. Then here you can see number of color out here, and you can select whatever color that you need. But I need the color that is green color. All right. So now I'm going to change the text color. So for that, click on here again and click on visual. Then here you can see, first of all, we are going to change the value color. So for that, I need white color, and then next the text color that I'm going to change for that category label. So for that, I need white color. And here you can see the border of the card, which doesn't look good. So for that, we are going to modify. So for that, click on here again card, and then go to here, you can see call format your visual, and then click on here and type here visual border, and here you can see it is already off, but we need to turn on the color. We need the same color, that is green color. Then round corner should be 30 pixel. So next card that we are going to create, that is average daily return. So for that, what we have to do without wasting much time, just I'll click on here and then Control plus C and Control plus V, and drag like this, and then remove this, and then drag and drop, that is daily return, under the fields. And now we are going to change the background color of this. So for that, click on here and then go to here again, format your visual, then click on general, then here you can see call FX, then here you can see background color, and click on here, and I will select this color, blue color. The next card that we are going to create, that is total trading volume. So for that, again we are going to copy Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V and drag like this and remove this, and then drag and drop, that is volume, into the field. And then we are going to change the background color of this card. So for that, click on this card, and then here again go to format your visual, then go to general and go to FX, and here you can see background color, and click on color, and then I'm going to use the orange color. All right, before moving ahead, let's change the main background color of the dashboard. So for that, click on the main dashboard, and you'll see the background color is currently white. To change it, click on here, format your report page, and then here you can see call canvas background, and then here you can see call color. Click on here, and then here you can see number of colors out here. So you can add any color based on your choice. So for that, for now, I'm going to add this color, maroon color, and then here you can see called transparency. Just click and decrease like this, 0%. All right, so the next chart that we are going to create, that is closing price with 20-day and 50-day moving average using line chart. So for that, click on here, you can see called line chart, and then drag and drop that column into x-axis, and then here you can see close column, drag and drop into y-axis, and then here you can see moving average 20. Just drag and drop under this secondary y-axis, and then moving average 50, drag and drop under here itself. All right, to resize this, just drag like this. All right, so first, to change the background of this chart, so for that, click on here, and then go to here, and then here you can see call the general, then click on FX. So since I need the background color of this chart should be maroon color, so for that, just I'll increase the transparency. All right, so now to change the value and text color, so for that, click on here, and then go to here, and then first going to work on x-axis. Click on here, and then here you can see value color, I need white color, and then scroll down, and title I don't need, and again we are going to work on the y-axis. Click on here, and then here you can see values color should be white, I need. All right, so next again just scroll down, and title I don't need, and legend also I don't need, uh, grid line also turn off. First we are going to work on x-axis and scroll down, value color I need, that is white, and then the title that I don't need. So next we are going to work on y-axis. Click on here, Then value color I need, that is, just scroll down, white color, and the title also on it. Next, legend, I don't need again. Grid line, this also I need to off. Alright, to change the title name of this chart, so for that click on here, then go to here, format your visual, again click on general, then here you can see title, just select all the text, remove, and type this. And the text color, the title text color, that color I need, that is white color, and alignment should be centered. Alright, and also we are going to change the border color, which doesn't looks good. So for that, click on here, format your visual, then here type here visual, and here you can see the border color. Right now here you can see black, but I need to change. If you want, you can add any color. Right, so I need a white color, and then round corners should be 30 pixel. All right, so the next chart that we are going to create, that is daily trading volume using column chart. So click on column chart and resize like this, and then here you can see column, and then drag and drop, that is date column under the x-axis, and then drag and drop volume into y-axis. Alright, to modify of this chart without wasting much time, so for that what we have to do, just click on this chart and then click on here, format painter, then click here. So now we are going to change the title name of this chart. So for that, click on here, format your visual, then here you can see general, then click on title and select all the text, remove it, and then type this. So the next and final chart that we are going to create, that is daily percentage returns using line chart. So for that, click on line chart, and then drag and drop, that is date column into x-axis, and then drag and drop daily return column into y-axis. Again, to change the background color of this chart, quickly click on either of the two chart, then click on format painter, then click on here again. Now we need to change the title name of this chart. So for that, click on format your visual, then click on general, then title, and select all, then remove it, and then type this. Now let's add a slicer which will let us filter the data dynamically with a single click. So for that, click on slicer, then and drag and drop the date column into field. To change the background color of this slicer. So for that, click on format your visual, then click on general, then click on effects and click on background. Then I'm going to select this navy blue color. So the values are not visible. So for that, just click on here again, format your visual. Then here you can see call. First we are going to talk about the values. Click on here and then click on font color. Font color should be white. And then we need here slicer header. The slicer header color should be white. All right, so here you can see the border doesn't looks good. So for that we need to modify. So for that, just click on here again, format your visual, and then here type here visual border and turn on. Then the color that we need, again white, and then rounded corners should be 30 pixel. All right, so the next we are going to create the title name for this dashboard. So for that, click on insert, then click on text box, then type here that is Apple stock performance dashboard. So to change the color of this text, so for that select all the text, then here you can see call font size. I need the font size should be 28. The text alignment should be center, and to resize, just drag like this, like this, like this, and the text should be bold. And to change the background of this text box, so for that click on here, and then here you can see general. Under that, here you can see effects, click on here, and then here you can see call background color, select, and then here you can see number of color out there. You can select any color, but I need blue color. All right, so to change the text color of this, just select all the text, then here you can see called font color menu, just expand it. Then here you can see number of color out there. You can use any color, but I need the white color for this. I'll select this. So next we need to work on the border of this text box. So for that click on here and then go to here search and type here visual border turn on. Then the color, here you can see the here, just click on here, and then here you can see again there are number of colors out there. You can use any color, but I need again the white color for border. And here you can see rounded corner, it should be 30 pixel. To use the slicer, you can drag the slicer ball left or right, and it will change the data display like this. Like this. We have successfully built an Apple stock performance dashboard in Power BI. Now you can easily track Apple's stock price, trading, volume, daily returns, and moving average all in one interactive dashboard. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more data and Power BI lesson.